Good morning, guys! Now, mag-DIY ako. I will change my DIY flower in the table and living room. Kasi nandito, marami dito sa labas, guys. Hindi nila ipakin. Wala lang, deadma. Habang nagluluto. I already pick up this kind of flower. In the Philippines, we're mixing this one with another rose. But here, too much only outside. They are not mixing. But now, I will do DIY. Here, my bottle. I want to change, see? O, diba? Ganda, guys. Change lang kapag may time. Because today is Saturday. No school day. Sophia is holiday today. And then tomorrow again, Sophia has school.
Good.
Now I'm eating this.
Manlay, bakit pagkalay mo kaya manlay tayo ko? Apa lay unto dun?
Now this one I will divide into two.
Ani author. Tuloy lang yung katiyan ba? Lalo.
Diba ang ganda? While I'm cooking, I'm doing with this flower arrangement. Diba guys, nakakasyala. Diba ang ganda? Oh, look guys, ang ganda! Oh, I will show you where I will keep it. Look guys, I want to show you where I keep it. Here in my table. See, look. It's very nice. And then the other one here. Oh, with seal there. I keep it. I changed already. Actually, they have too much already outside, but I pick up. Oh, diba? It's nice. And then while I'm cooking with potato, and then cauliflower, and all vegetable, guys. You know it's yellow, dirty pillow, because we are always using the turmeric. Our life here in Nepal always will doing turmeric. But sometimes I will cook also Filipino food. But mostly I'm cooking this because my husband loves this. With mixed vegetables, cabbage, potato, and cauliflower. And that's it. Just mix with the salt to taste and then turmeric. Now I have food for I'm done for the cooking for the dogs, you know. And then I'm also drinking with this tea, malunggay tea, moringa tea. Kape tayo guys habang nagluluto. Sarap. Grabing pawis guys, super. Oh my god, what time now? 7:40. So much hot. Tingnan mo, grabe. Nakakaligo. Thank you for watching guys. Thank you for my new subscriber and old subscriber. Much love, much love. God bless us. Be kind. Thank you. Bye-bye. Cheers. Thank you. Bye.